As this is an investment trust, it's closed-ended, which means I don't have to worry about inflows or outflows. This means I'm able to look at more smaller, liquid names that perhaps other funds wouldn't look at. I also have the flexibility to adopt gearing, and this has the impact of amplifying investment returns, which is great to have in a market like China where valuations can really go to extremes both ways. I have a whole range of investment instruments that I can use to enhance returns. This investment trust is able to short stocks, use derivatives, and even more unique versus other China funds, it can invest in unlisted companies. My investment philosophy is really based on bottom-up stock picking, and I use that to drive portfolio construction. I believe the best investments are in companies with good long-term growth prospects, which are cash generative and controlled by strong management teams. Ideally, these factors are not well understood by the market, and so this potential isn't yet reflected in the valuations. All the while, it is vital to remember that some businesses are more cyclical than others, so we need to know where we are in the cycle and adjust the investment decision accordingly. But I also believe investors must take a long-term perspective, especially in smaller companies, and it is important to be patient for the investment thesis to play out. I tend to look at smaller companies as they are often less well researched and therefore offer more opportunities for mispricing. The aim is to invest before others recognize this potential and benefit from share price movements when others get on board. Company meetings are central to my investment process in order to understand company strategy and also monitor company progress. I average 2 to 3 company meetings per day. I work closely with our large team of in-house analysts. We have teams based all around Asia with dedicated China analysts in Hong Kong and Shanghai. The majority of company meetings I attend will be with a member of the analyst team, and I rely heavily on their input before making my investment decision and in monitoring my positions in the portfolio. I find it very helpful to get a regional perspective on the companies I invest in, and also to cross-check what the company is saying with their competitors, suppliers, and customers. The analyst team is an invaluable resource with this type of work. I also have a team of highly experienced portfolio managers that I work alongside, and I can frequently call upon their expertise. At Fidelity, we have the resources and the process to identify the opportunities before they are broadly recognized in the market. These resources also help us manage the risks. In terms of risk management, at the portfolio level, I need to be aware of the bets and how they contribute to the risk of the portfolio. At the stock level, the key things to monitor are how effectively management executes its strategy, corporate governance, balance sheet strength, and valuations. In summary, I believe China continues to offer investors strong long-term growth prospects. Fidelity's research network combined with the flexibility provided by the investment trust structure give me confidence that I can capitalize on the unique investment opportunity that China offers.